live streaming. Yeah, we're live streaming, man. If you hear me loud and super clear, let's get it rocking. Give me some ones in the chat, man. You hear me loud and clear, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's great to see everyone on, man. Welcome, 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 welcome. Yeah, welcome. Make sure you hear me loud and clear. I was about to kick off this morning session, right, with our sweet rules and tools. All right. We have 10 minutes again. Make sure you guys hear me loud and clear. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You guys hear me loud and clear, right? On the Zoom side. Let me know if you hear me loud and clear, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see who's on this morning. All right, cool. You know, Turles, big up yourself. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Where the rest of the crew at? Streaming live, all right, cool. Everybody up, man. Everybody up, man. You guys hear me? On the Zoom side? Let me know, let me know, let me know on Zoom. Once you hear me loud and clear, let me get some ones in the chat. I know this side, like this next side here, actually hear me good. Right now, USD is blasted off. Yeah, this market's literally gonna be shooting for the moon. All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome. 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 Let's start off with our rules and tools. In which rule number one is being grateful. When we be grateful, we're gonna be thankful. All right. Thank God for life, health, and strength. Of course, you see this new and beautiful day, man. Literally new and beautiful day, man. That we gotta start off the day right. Gotta start off everything gotta go right. We gotta be right. We gotta have the right mindset. That should be knowledgeable. We gotta be grateful. We gotta be thankful, right? So that's the rule number one. We're gonna be grateful. We're gonna be thankful to start off with it, right? As you go to rule number two is checking the news, right? As we check the news, we have no red folder news that's gonna affect us this morning when we're trading, which is good. Yeah, we had Japan red folder news later on, but so we gotta be mindful and we gotta watch out for that. And we have no news that's gonna affect the United States dollar this morning, right? As you're looking at it on the Forex factory. The reason why we're looking at the Forex factory where we have no news is because the reason why we have no news is because now we have no news, we Gucci, but we're gonna still gonna have some impact in which as I say SpaceX, that's Elon Musk company, is actually on the Nasdaq, literally. Right, and not going to be causing the market to actually shoot to the moon because we know how much money actually Elon Musk actually put in his company, which is SpaceX, right? So that's going into Nasdaq, which is really, really good. And we trade US 30 and Nasdaq, which is Nas 100, all right, which is good news, properness, right? Also, the US actually make deals to actually seize the war, well, a peace deal, where we're gonna be seeing no oil movements and thing in this chart of Hummels, which is really Hummels, however, let's go, right? Which is really good, really, really good. So we're gonna see some nice strong bullish movement that's gonna be taking place for the both market today. All right. So we just have to be in the opportunity, we have to be there to capitalize on it, or we can actually do the right thing, right? So we have no news this morning, which is good, good, good. We Gucci, we're gonna be good, right? Let's go forward to rule number three. Right, as you go forward to rule number three is knowing we risk management. Now, risk management is crucial. Risk management is key. You gotta know your risk to reward always, always, always. Right, gotta know your risk to reward always. That is crucial, right? Now, when we trade, we want to know your risk, meaning how much we risking, and together with we want to know what's our daily target, right? Now, once you know the daily target, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be really, really good, right? Now, with our risk, we want to know how much we're risking, which is 3%, 3,000 points, 300 pips. All right. Some brokers maybe 30 points. Right. That's our risk. That's our risk. That's our risk. We want to know we risk for sure. And secondly, we want to know we daily target. Now, daily target is going to be 10%. All right. So, where if your account is, for example, let's say your account is 150. All right. And you're using a 10%, for example, you could even use the calculator. All right. You could actually have on the calculator. I'm going to show you this really, really quick. So that you're using the compound daily. Let's actually go up on the calculator really quick. Boom. Let's say your account is 150, right? Multiply by 10, 3%. That's 15 USD. Which supposed to be your daily target or whatsoever. That's if you have a $150 account. Or let's say you have a $500 account by literally by 10%. That's literally boom, 50 USD right there. Alright. So Gotta know your daily target, which is your 10%. Wherever your account, everyone account gonna be different. So gotta know your daily target for your 10%. All right. So let's continue going. Let's continue going. So we know your daily target. We know how much we risk is, right? Also, we wanna know your lot size, right? You gotta know your lot size before you enter the market. Of course, you gotta know your lot size. So your lot size, got where right? Everyone accounts must be different. You gotta know your lot size, or for sure, for sure, for sure, you got to know your lot size. All right, which will be really, really good, really crucial. All right. Now we have literally how much? We have 2 minutes again. Less than 2 minutes again for the market. So let's actually open up the charts. In which, yes, I'm seeing the market already broken. Right, I see the market already broken out. And we have 1 more minute again remaining for the market to actually open, right? So we are yesterday, my left, we are Nas on my right? And yeah, did see Nas broken out, right? Yeah, 27 seconds again, and I make sure my candles and I'm actually moving. All right, so if she actually drop, you can take her to the drop right here, boom. But if this Nifty new can actually open up bullish, breaking this high, I'm in without hesitation, literally. And cherry stop loss is going to be 3,000 points, right? So market going to open up right in about 5 seconds ago. Looking at US 30 first. Good rejection. Market open. Buy US 30. I'm in on buys on US 30 right now. Literally. I'm in on buys on US 30. Stop loss is 3,000 points. Stop loss is 3,000 points. We in on it. We in on it. We in on it. We in on it. This is some crazy movement candle here. Crazy movement candle here. Crazy movement candle here. If you didn't take it, you can actually wait it out. Wait it out if you didn't take it as yet. Right. Wait until she fulfill wick, and then you can actually take it. All right. 3,000 points. Yeah, I'm in now. Yeah, 3,000 points. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Good push. Good push. Good push. Good push. Good push. Good push. Come on. Let's go, girl. 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 TPY is gonna be literally 10,000 points. 10,000 points is my take profit. Come on, let's see you continue going. This market is on all-time highs. Literally, 10,000 points is my take profit, right, guys? Come on, let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Show you what you're capable of doing. Show us what you're capable of doing. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Ooh, look at that rejection. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a very strong rejection there, girl. Come on, we're gonna see it fulfill the wick now. Once you fulfill the wick to the upside, we're gonna be Gucci. Wow, I should have pulled back. When they say it actually, when they say it actually fulfill the wick now though. That's when they say fulfill the wick to the upside. That's gonna be that's when this good thing there. Come on. When they say it actually climb back up there, girl. Let's go. I believe in you. Believe in you, you're sturdy. Now this is a nice buy off also. Alright, now this is a nice buy off also. Wow, look how you said rejecting. Alright, she back to the entry. Come on, let's see continue going, girl. I believe in you, you're sturdy. I believe in you, you're sturdy. I believe in you, you're sturdy. Back in profits. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Make sure you stop loss in 3,000 points. TP is literally 10,000 points, right? We wanna just make sure we get a nice 10% of this market at least. Come on, let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Come on, let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Continue going. Continue going. We need that volume again, man. We need that volume again, yo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I feel Nas looking more safer rather than US 30. Can Nas actually break out nice and that's standing on business right there. Literally. We need a wick to be fulfilled though. With this trade, let's now your stop loss to 2,000 points. Let's now your stop loss to 2,000 points. Let's now your stop loss to 2,000 points. Reason for that, we wanna get to take another like more positions rather than it pulling back and actually stopping us out, right? So how she moving, she's actually just wicking, she just reaching right there and pulling back, reaching right there. So let's not get surplus to 2,000 points. Yeah, seeing she giving us a push, yeah, nothing wrong with that. But as I say, we wanna be sure, right? So let's now we stop loss to 2,000 points. Alright. Or rather that. Right now we're still running like 200 pips in profit, sounds like. Alright, so we have a new candle gonna form in the next 4 seconds. Come on, we need to see that bullish form though. We need to see it fulfill wick, man. Let's see it fulfill wick. Come on, let me see a fulfill wick and pass it. I want this high to be taken out. Yeah, I want that high to be taken out. I want this high to be taken out. Come on, we need to see new higher highs again. Should not make a new higher low right here, which is good, like good form, like good form. Right, we need to see a new higher high. All right. Um, where is my join tool? All right, this is my join tool. Good push, good push, good push. Come on, I'm not join tool. Good push. We're gonna say take the high out, take the high out, take the high out. All right, so we have this here. I want to see that high be taken out. Right, this low here is literally a new higher low. When I see a new higher high being created, meaning we're gonna see it actually break this high here, right here. And you see this high being broken, really bad. But she's actually rejecting it a lot. Come on, we need to see that high being going, man. We need a high, man. We need a 10% mark. Is actually was is bullish, literally, but we need to see like more, you know, more volume than this to actually continue that bullish sign for us. I'm gonna refresh the page. We still running 300 pips in profit, literally. Right? Come on, US 30. We need to see that big bullish move, yo. I'm studying if the improves of this, because how she moving, she wanna give us a little pullback kind of move. But you gotta believe in it. 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 No. Yeah, she giving us a pullback. Seeing it on my next screen here while this other chart here loading. It's giving us a pullback. 5 minutes could give us a pullback kind of move, and then we could see the new high. All right, see some deeper pullbacks. Would she reject or would she stop us out? That is the question. Nice. You get any rejection here now? What? This didn't load. This didn't show my chart. Okay. Go back on 1 minute. Alright, cool. We in, we still in, we still in, we still in. I didn't get stuff out. I'm still in. Alright, back in good profits right now. 300 pips back in profits again. How much we risking is how much we still is where the market is at. We have 54 seconds again for this candle to close. I want to see that please show us fulfillment of the candle to the upside. That's a more better move. Alright. That is a better way there. Reason why I said that is because that'll be more cleaner, more sharper. Alright, let's remember to reduce your stop loss to literally 2,000 points. Our TP is 10,000 points, alright? Now, when she actually came with that fulfillment of the wick to the upside, that's when I know for sure we could actually see some nice, strong bullish move. I'm seeing some pullbacks. Wow. This, I hope this will close like a doji candle. Uh, she ain't giving us that kind of sign actually. 1 tier US 30. New candle form. Come on, we need to see that bullish move there. Alright. Alright, that's gonna stop me out there. Yeah, that stopped me out there. Okay, cool. So I got stop out. I got stop out. A reversal is actually taking place. Where I'm gonna actually take the reversal down. Wait, hold on. Now for me to take the reversal, she gotta break this low. Alright, so we're looking at your 30. Still again. I'm taking the sell off. Yeah. I'm in on the sell right now on your 30. Alright, we're taking the sell on your 30 right now. This time we could actually have a stop loss for the 3,000 points. I'm in on the sell on your 30. SL is 3,000 points. Yeah, we're running a little bit in profits right now. So we lost 2,000 points just now there. Now we could see we could actually get this thing to drop all the way back down. Right, so she actually dropped to these lows, breaking through my pivot point together with my upward trendline movement. Make sure I stop loss in for the 3,000 points. Right. I hope this is not pullback for this market to show us more upward movement. I don't want that to be. If she want to drop, she gotta drop. Right. Look how US. Watch on Nas. Nas was so straightforward as I was saying, right? Straightforward. Really straightforward. If I did get Nas, would that be good? Nas was literally straightforward. It was good. For the same 10%. Wow, US 30. US 30 give us good move and then after a pullback. Anyways, we in on US 30 sales right now, guys. We're running like 300% profit again. And you're gonna see it continue falling, right? Now, if I'm gonna give you guys a TP, my TP is 15,000 points. Alright, if she wanna drop, she gotta actually drop passing all these lows. So TP is like 15,000 points, alright, literally. So take profit is 15,000. 15 with three zeros. All right, could be close to the 15, could be a lesser than the 15, doesn't matter. Make sure it near it. And she reached the rejection zone and she rejecting a little bit. You want to see it break through it. Once you break through it, we know we have these areas here to be taken out. Come on, let's go, girl. We know we had these areas here to be taken out. We know we had these areas here to be taken out again. All right. And then we had these lows to be taken out. All right, so right now we're running 500 pips in profit. Sounds like. Come on, we're gonna see it actually drop off and actually give us a nice drop there, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You're sturdy, yeah. Let's go, you're sturdy. All right, so with this trade scene, as we run in 500 pip, let's see if we get 600 pip, then we could move to break even, all right? Yeah, 40 seconds again. Seeing some slight little pullbacks. She did give us a drop and after she gave us a slight little pullback. All right. Seeing some pullbacks to be rejection zone. Yeah, 10 seconds to this candle. Oh my god, why are you pulling back so deep, yo? New candle form. What? Pulling back to entry. Come on, we need to see some. We need to see. Let's see if we get some bearish move right here, man. Let's see if we can get some bearish move right here now. Bearish means some sellers coming in here now, man. All right, pull back in, pulling back to the entry. Oh my god, come on, we need to see a reject, reject, reject. Let's see rejection right here, man. Let's see some rejection right here, man. Let's see she rejects from right here, man. Make sure you have stop loss in for the 3,000 points. Are we using the correct stop loss here? We don't want to reduce it. We don't know for sure because we actually giving it some, some space if she want to pull back, right? But this is a nice engulfing candle, honestly, to show us sellers want to come in, all right. Plus two, I would say she gave us a hammerhead inverted hammerhead candle where the body of the candle at top the only 5 minute actually big. Nice rejection from the entry. Now we're gonna see it fulfill the wick to the downside. Once you fulfill the wick to the downside and pass it with proper volume, cool. We're gonna be moving to break even because she respect this low, this high which she now rejected from the entry, right? Now we just wanna see more volume though. That's all we wanna see, more volume. Watch how sweet Nas is now. Oh gosh, Nas really stand on business. Ain't gonna lie. Nas did stand on business. 9:30, 9:30. That's here. Yeah, she did stand on business for that bullish move. Big up Nas, man. But anyways, yeah, you're steady breaking it low, which is good. Let me see a full Philly wick one more time. I know, oh, you take Nas by. Are you talking about? Are you talking about? Are you talking about? Yeah, I didn't jump in there. Wish I did though. But so you're steady rejecting. We don't want to lose nothing on this. Make sure move to break even, guys. I mean, as you said, yeah, so you're steady rejecting. Make sure move to break even. Alright, I thought break even trade and losing. Make sure move your stop loss space above your entry, or slightly in profit. Yeah. So even though if she pull back and stop you out, it still stop you out either at nothing or some slight in profit, right? Because you're still rejecting way too much. She reached to these lows and then she rejected. Alright. Now I wanna see this. I wanna see she's gonna give us that fall to the ground. So this is a risk-free trade, as I say. Make sure you move to break even. Wow, this is a long trade. And I'm gonna move this thing to break even. Oh, she's moving. She's moving a little iffy. A little iffy. She's moving right now. Now I gotta move to break even. As I say, she pull back, hit me break even, cool. Right? I would just look for the bullish movement because we know this market want to be bullish. Right? Now, if she want to be bearish, cool. We can see the bearish. Wait, did I hit break even? Did this actually close me out at break even, yo? Alright, so yeah, my break even actually hit, guys. Break even actually hit on my side. Okay, I gotta look for another position here now. Right, honestly, Nas actually flying really good. I can't still get Nas. Nas actually going really good. But say what? I have one more mark. I have one more trade in me, man. Literally, break even actually hit. Break even actually hit. I have one more trade in me. To me, that's gonna be on USD because Nas already gone. I'm not gonna be taking any trade at this high. So I'm gonna be looking for another opportunity on US 30. All right, and that might be another selling position if she actually continue falling to this area right here. Now, if she break the high, I'm gonna actually take her for another buy off if she break the high of this candle wick. So this could be like a little pullback to retest it, and then you can see some bullish move. All right, so this is on US 30. We hit break even, cool. I'm looking for US 30 trade right now. I hit break even. All right, seeing some bullish move taking place right now. So far we lost 200 pips after reaching 600 pips in profit. Looking at US 30. Once you pass that wick, the wick above, I'm gonna be entering on buys, guys. Because if Nas buying, you're gonna see US 30 shows a strong buy move also. All right, so US 30, US 30, US 30. Right. All right, you need US 30 buys, yeah. Okay, so US 30, yeah, I'm taking the buy right now. All right, so I'm in on the buy on US 30. Got it at the pullback, cool. Nothing wrong with that. Don't reject on me there, yo. Don't reject on me there, yo. See some strong rejections. See some strong rejections. Yeah. Okay, cool, guys. The stop loss is 3,000 points. Right, and this thing is actually pulling back more than 3,000 points.
A liquidity sweep.
All right, I'm closing off US 30 buys, guys. I'm closing off. That's not. Yeah, I closing off US 30 buys. Wow, that actually stopped me out there. This market is gonna actually dump. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We got actually cool to see what's gonna be taking place here. All right, now she actually dropped cool, but I actually got stopped out on this market. I'm closing off that. Yeah, not supposed to do that, man. But I'm waiting. I'm literally waiting. This market is gonna actually give us a nice push off. Miss Nas, cool. Gotta get on your studio. We gotta get on your studio. We gotta get on your studio. All right, literally. All right. So we lost 600 pips so far. Okay, cool. I'm gotta get on your study at least. We have a minute and 25 seconds again. Um, I saw this kind of movement. This kind is actually very indecisive right now. Now, if you feel fairly weak, I don't mind taking re-enter on it. All right, cool. So I'm taking back the buy again on USD. Yeah, I'm in on it. I'm on another buy again on USD. I got it at a little deeper entry than usual. Last trade for the morning, man. We know this market got to show us our bullish move. Come on, load up, load up, load up, load up, load up, load up. Stop loss gonna be 3,000 points. If we lose this trade, I'm so done. All right, so it come like we lost like 9%. All right, so we lost. So we long 600 pip right now. Cool. I'm in on the buys again. And you see it actually go to the moon, breaking all these highs. So we lost 900 pip. My TP on this trade gonna be like, it'll be like 15,000 points is my take profit. All right, right now we're running like 300 pips in profit right now. So I'm like, make sure you stop loss in for the 3,000 points. Gotta see that bullish move. We gotta see that bullish move. 3,000 points is my stop loss. All right, we're running good, good. We're running literally 400 pips in profit. All the market is actually giving us profit, and then after she rejecting. So to me, this looks like a pullback from the bullish movement to make that new high. All right, from in on another buy again. We're gonna see. Let's see this high be taken out. Wow, big push right now, yo. Big push right now, yo. We're running literally 600 pips in profit right now. Honestly, this high be taken out. We're running good in profit. Wow. Good push. Come on, you're sturdy. We need to see it fulfill our wick right there. We're gonna see it reach that high right there, yo. As soon as we reach like 600 pips, I'm gonna be moving to break even, right? Yeah, we roll with break even this morning, guys. As this morning actually moving like this, we roll with break even, right? So we're gonna see this kind of fulfill the wick to the upside, then we're gonna be good for break even kind of move. But why is she rejecting? I can't offer this high, yo. What are you even trying to do? You was 30? Alright, we waiting. We have 3 minutes again for the new hourly candle. I'd like to overtrade like this, yo. But there's opportunities we could actually capitalize on. And we gotta cope with it, right? What we're doing here is a little overtrading, honestly speaking. Once you fulfill the wick, make sure to the upside on the 5 minute, make sure you move to break even, alright? Once you fulfill our wick. So we have a minute and 50 seconds again. To me, I'm rolling with the opening of the market, at the opening of the hourly. I'm rolling with the opening of the hourly candle. So yeah, I'm waiting for the hourly candle to actually open. Right? Just remember we take profit is 15,000 points. Stop loss is literally 3,000 points. This is literally a 1 to 5 we are going for here, right? As soon as she fulfill the wick, that's when I see it fulfill the wick, man. In other words, when I see it reach these highs right here. These highs are right here, we're gonna see it reach. Come on. I'm gonna sit back on the street and watch how the street gonna move. We have 58 seconds. Once she fulfill her wick, she reach any high, and now she rejecting it. As a matter of fact, guys, move to break even. Yeah, move to break even. Move to break even. Reason for that is because when we actually get a trade entry, the wick on the 5 minute, to me that she might not actually go down there. And if she do go down there, that's gonna be a very strong deep pullback. So move to break even on the trade. This trade should be a risk free trade. Break even is a must. 20 seconds ago. Yeah, you should lose nothing on this trade. This trade should be a break even trade for you guys right now. Alright, because right now we're running like 500% profit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candle. You saw the hourly candle gonna move. Wow. Look at that pullback. Hourly candle gotta be bullish though. That's the thing. That's a very weird pullback, but say what? We in it. Make sure I move to break even. Um, if it hit break even, cool. We take V2L for how much? 4 by 2, 600 pip loss. And we walk away with that, right? Literally. Alright. Now, then we had, in other words, there's be one trader we to actually hit it back and continue going, we going. Alright, I see any bullish move, but she is very indecisive right now. Alright, so what did you say? How she gonna move here? The purple box. Alright, love that rejection. Love that rejection. I didn't get stop out, eh? I didn't hit break even yet. My thing didn't hit break even yet. My entry right literally down here. Alright. I like how this can actually stand on business here. They done nice here. This market could actually show us some more bullish pressure right here, literally. Wow, that's big. Oh, whoa. Hold on, let me see if she reaches lows. Alright, cool. She reaching that low. Uh, uh, should I call that break even? She did reach close to the low though. What an indecisive movement actually taking place here, yo. Wow. Alright, guys. Now she didn't hit me break even. Man, as I say, my entry is actually a lower. I didn't get break. I didn't get stop out. But if she do actually fulfill the wick on the 5 minutes and continue falling, that's gonna be break even. Alright. Yeah, that's break even actually hit. Alright, cool. Cool. So break even actually hit there. I'm gonna call it a sweet morning, man, and actually walk away from this market. Yeah, take me break even and actually walk away. Take me break even slash losing day and actually walk away, man. So let's go. Appreciate you guys actually coming on, man. We was good in profits and the market just wanna flip, right? But we're gonna get it back. For sure, we're gonna get it back. But stronger than ever, and Let's run up this thing, man. So let's go, and I'll see you guys tonight. Now, if I see something, I'm gonna say something. Meaning, if she actually can't, if yesterday actually break the highs right up here, cool. I don't mind taking out. I'll actually send out in the chat for a trade idea if she break those highs here, all right? But that's not a problem. Let's go, and I'll see you guys in the morning tonight, man. I'm out.